Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is all about hair care for long and thick hair, and this video is especially for lazy people. I'll tell you why. Because most of us watch so many hair care videos, but we never ever gonna try it, even though we have a lot of time to do. So this video is especially for lazy people. It wouldn't be wrong if I call it a lazy people home remedy, because you don't have to put lot of things to prepare one single remedy, and you don't have to prepare it fresh daily. So I'll show you how to care your hair with the help of one key ingredient. That is rosemary leaves. Before that, let's get to know about rosemary leaves. Rosemary is an evergreen bushy shrub which grows along with the Mediterranean Sea and sub-Himalayan areas. It contains many medicine factors. It helps to reduce depression, anxiety, headache, migraine, and many more. The main benefits of this leaves is it helps to grow your hair faster than the usual. So I have ordered Organic Habits Premium Egyptian dried rosemary leaves from Amazon. It's difficult to get fresh ones, so I have ordered this dried rosemary leaves from Amazon. I'll put the product link in description. If you want, you can check out. This one key ingredient is enough to prepare the remedy. If you want to add extra ingredient, then definitely you can add. That's up to you. Okay, let's start how to do it. Take 2 teaspoons of rosemary leaves and 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seed and add some water and soak it for overnight. Boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Do it for at least 1 month to get the result. I'm sure it will help you to grow your hair and solve all your problem related to your hair. I hope you like this video. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Bye.